English.
Yes.
Yes.
Which country come you from?
Kosovo.
Kosova.
Yes.
Did you like festival?
What?
Do you like festival?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
What is your name?
Meriton. Meriton.
Agnieszka. Ringa.
What do you say about Turkey?
I think it's such a good place. I love being here.
First come in Turkey or before?
I've come before. This is the third time.
Three times.
Yes.
Which city did you come?
Kosova, Gelen, Viti.
Yok. In Turkey, which city before?
Bursa, İnegöl, Edirne, and Antalya.
Antalya. Okay. Do you like Turk people, Turkey?
Yes.
Yes.
Please, some things about Turkish people.
I think they're so nice.
We are brothers, yeah?
Yes, and they gave us support so much.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.